thank you.
It's nice to meet you too.
I want to ask about your family.
Yes, please.
What is your name?
My name is Azam.
Okay. How old are you?
I am 9 years old.
How many person are at your home?
They are about 4 people.
Okay, good. Who are they?
They are my mother, my father, my sister, and my brother.
Okay, good. How many sisters do you have?
One.
I have one sister.
One.
How many brothers do you have?
I want to.
I have.
I have 2 brothers.
Okay. What is the name of your sister?
My sister is Ashur.
What is your brother's name?
My brother is Omar.
How old is your brother?
He is about 70
8 years old. How old is your sister?
She is about 70 years old.
Are you a younger or older?
Younger.
Okay. What is your mother's name?
My mother's name is.
What is your father's name?
My father's name is.
What is your father's job?
My father's job is.
What is your mother's job?
My mother's job is office.
Okay, I think that's all. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.